Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Jackson, your internet motorcycle sales guy here at Bumpus Harley-Davidson of Jackson, Tennessee. Today I've got a nice one for you. This is a 2018 CVO Street Glide in the Gunship gray. We've got some Vance Hines exhaust on here. You got the X-pipe, as I call it. Got some Vance Hines slip-ons on the back. This thing sounds awesome. This year of the CVOs, they came with the boom audio stage 2 and the fairing, lower fairings, and saddlebag lids. You got plenty of volume on this thing. You got the CVO 2-piece seat. You can actually take this passenger pillion off. It's really set up to have a solo look when you take it off. Got the detachable sissy bar. Got some 12 or 14 inch Carlini bars. You know, those are top of the line. Got some Harley heated grips on there. Love this Gunship gray color. Gunship gray bikes came with these painted to match wheels. Looks real good. Got a adaptive Daymaker headlight in here. Tires are in good shape. Got the highway pegs that came with it as a CVO. They even put some matching passenger footboards on here. So the pegs. This thing is awesome. Got a lay down license plate frame on here. We still have the factory one that can be put on it if you want it. It'll come with it. Also, I didn't notice it until just a second ago when I was looking at this thing. It's got a set of Legend suspension Revo-A's on the back. It's the adjustable progressive shocks. I don't know if it has Legend suspension in the front. Can't tell without pulling the fairing off, but I don't know. It's kind of safe to assume it probably does, but don't hold me to that. Let's see what she sounds like. Oh yeah, got 10,595 miles, basically 10.6. Got a real good deep tone to it. This is a great bike. It's set up really nice. Really good suspension on the rear, possibly the front. So if you think this could be your next bike, inquire about it here on the website or give me a call at 731-422-5508. Better yet, come see this thing in person, take it for a ride, check out the rest of our great inventory while you're here. Y'all come see us.